consider another variable ended map f of w x y z is equal to summation m 0 4 5 6 13 14 15 plus don't care 2 7 8 9. So first step is again write the truth table for all the values 0 to 15 and write the function values. So wherever you have this decimal number 0 4 5 6 13 14 15 corresponding to that write once. For don't care values write dash and other values write it as 0. Now in order to find out fi dot z bar plus fi dot z, now first value is 1, fi value is 1, so 1 into z bar plus fj value is 0, so 0 into z. So we will get this as z bar plus 0. So we can write this as z bar plus 0, so which corresponds to z bar. Now next value is fi value is dash, so we can write this as dash into z bar plus fj value is 0, so 0 into z. So dash means we can write it as dash can be either 0 or 1. So 0 into z bar plus 0 into z. So this corresponds to 0. Next value is 1 into z bar. 1 into z bar plus 0 into z. So which corresponds to z bar. So the values will be, so here we can write it as dash into z bar plus 0. So which will corresponds to z bar comma 0. Now next value is 1 into z bar plus 1 into z. So this will be z bar plus z, so which is equal to 1. Next value is 1 into z bar plus dash into z. So 1 into z bar means z bar plus dash into z. So this will be z bar plus 0 into z. So equal to z bar plus 1 into z. So z bar plus z equal to 1. So the values will be z bar comma 1. Next value is dash into z bar plus dash into z. So as both dashes we can write it as dash. Next value is 0 into z bar plus 0 into z, so equal to 0. Next is 0 into z bar, so 0 plus z equal to z. So next is 1 into z bar plus 1 into z, so z bar plus z equal to 1. So these will be the map entry values. So next step is draw a truth table with the map entries. So drawing the truth table. So the truth table can be drawn as W01 and XY 00 01 10 11. So writing the truth table values z bar comma 0 1 z bar comma 1 dash 0 1 z. So the first step to be done is group all the single literals. So single, set and set bar literals. So here we have a set over here. So this has to be grouped. So while grouping we can consider this term to be, as you have set bar comma 1, this can be considered as a one cell. So grouping those cells we can write this as, this way we can group it. Now next one is you have a set bar single literal over here, so this has to be grouped. So while grouping, this term can be considered as set bar and this term can be considered as set bar. So grouping it, we can draw this as like this. Now next step is group incompletely covered values. So drawing the map again, this can be drawn as the values will be w01, xy 0001, 10, 11. So writing the terms, so z bar instead of it can be written as 0, constant term can be written as 0. As this term is completely covered by both z and z bar, we can replace it by don't care. This can be replaced by don't care. Again, this one cell is also completely covered, so replace it by don't care. Below write dash 0, 1, and this z has been covered, so replace it by 0. So now grouping the terms with the don't care, we can group this term. So this will be the value. So grouping these values, so this corresponds to x into z. This subcube corresponds to w bar into z bar, and this corresponds to x into y. So the final equation will be wxyz is equal to xz plus xy plus w bar z bar. So this will be the final